In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom budget in QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks Online account using either the Plus or Advanced plan. Once you're inside the dashboard, the first place you'll want to go is the Reports section. This is where QuickBooks keeps financial reporting tools, including budgeting features. From Reports, look for Budgets and open it. This will take you to the budgeting area, where you can review existing budgets or create a new one from scratch. Next, click Create Budget. This starts the setup process and opens the screen where you'll define how your budget should be built. The first choice you'll make is the budget type. This determines what kind of financial plan you're creating, so choose the option that best matches the way you want to track your business goals. After that, choose the period for the budget. This is the time frame your budget will cover, such as a specific fiscal year. It's important to select the correct period so your numbers line up properly with your reporting and planning needs later on. You'll then choose whether the budget should be consolidated or subdivided. A consolidated budget is useful if you want one combined view, while a subdivided budget can help if you need to break figures down into separate categories, locations, classes, or other tracking segments already used in your QuickBooks file. Pick the format that best supports the way you want to monitor performance. If needed, you can also select a pre-fill data option. This is optional, but it can save time by automatically pulling in amounts based on existing financial data. For example, if you want a starting point instead of entering every value manually from zero, pre-filling can make the setup process faster and easier. If you prefer full manual control, you can simply leave that option alone and continue. Then select Custom Budgets. This tells QuickBooks that you want to manually tailor the budget amounts rather than rely only on a standard template or automatic values. Once that section opens, begin entering your budget amounts in the appropriate fields. Take your time here and make sure each value is entered in the correct place, since accurate budgeting depends on careful input. When everything looks right, click Save. That will store your custom budget and make it available for future review and reporting inside QuickBooks. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom budget in QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced.